Hello everyone. Today it is part 2 of playing Rainforest Tower. So let's start with So we already did part 1, so we're gonna do the chill one. Ah, whoop, whoop. I love the jumping part again. Ow. Feels like slime. Lord help me. If any of my friends join, I would be so jump. Oh my god. I'm only just worried about those over there because it's a little hard. Jump, jump. Why do I even hear slime sounds? With ow, ow! It squished me. Excuse me. I didn't know you were there, and why did you squish my head? I was over here. Wee. I don't know if the hard one is actually going to be hard. No. This one. Ow. No. Are you kidding me? Why? Okay, better do this again. It's this one and this one. We jump, 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 jump. Wait, is this a choose the path? Oh, no. No, please don't make me fall, bridge. Don't make me fall. That was literally so fast. Wait, where do I? Oh. I thought I was gonna go somewhere else. Wee. What are these? I like the ASMR actually. Wee. Wee. Oh! No, why did I fall down? Are you kidding me? I like the walking noises. I'm gonna keep walking and walking and walking. I just need to keep my eye on track. not focusing on anything else. Then my eyes just go like boop, 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 boop. So I need to focus. My hands are sweating right now. Please, don't make me fall. There's some ASMR. Asthma! Why is that asthma? I literally love the walking noises. So ASMR artist. There's some wires? It looks like wires. Jump, 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 and jump. Yes! Cheers, that was a correct. Let me just take a quick picture. There we go. Let me see. This is like my mom, always taking pictures. Okay, so that's all for today. So bye-bye, and I will see you on the next video.